Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next video from our Pinterest course on how to maximize your results from Pinterest ads and from your promoted campaigns here on Pinterest. Now I want to talk to you in this video about how you can track your results so you can analyze what is happening with your promotions, with your ads, with your pins in order to optimize them for better results in the future. You will see that you have two types of practically tracking your results for your ads, okay, for your promotions, and also for your audience and for your profile overall. Now let's go and see exactly how you can practically do the tracking for your ads. So this is your Pinterest dashboard. This is how it will look like. You just have to go to the ad section right here in the menu. You go with your mouse over and you will have here an option conversion tracking. Okay, you click on the conversion tracking and this new dashboard will appear for you. What you can do here, you can create different types of codes or different types of tags for your conversions, so you can see exactly what results you get from your promotions and from your ads. So you need to create new conversion tags which you will add to your website, okay, to your checkout page, to your thank you page in your website, to see if people are actually coming from your Pinterest ads there or to your web page or to any other page. Okay, so you have to create these tags before, and after you create them, you add them into those pages on your website. So how do you create them? You just go to the button here, to this text here, create a tag. You push this button and then you create the tags that you want to use, okay, so for the conversions that you want to track and to measure. So for example, purchase, okay. Then you will have an option, select conversion type, and you have more options here, okay. Page visit, sign up, checkout, custom. Checkout, okay, this will be for tracking my purchases, okay, for people that are actually buying a product or a service. Then you have to pick your time phrase, so for how much time you want this tracking code to be available, okay, for how much time do you want to take in consideration these visitors that come from your Pinterest ads, so you can tell it for real if the ad is effective or not. So you have 40 days, 60 days, 14 days. Okay, 40 days, it's actually the standard time frame for any type of affiliate marketing ad or so on. So it should be good if you leave it at 40 days. Engagements, the same thing. Views, 1 day. You can, if you really want to see how effective your promotion is, I would actually go for more days, again for 40 days, to see how many people are actually seeing that ad, okay, or seeing that repin or things like that, okay. So you practically, after you are selecting all of this, you go to the button create tag, you press the button and you have a tag created. Now what you will do with this code here, you copy this code and you will put it in the checkout page of your, because we have created a code for checkouts, okay. You put it in the checkout page of your website of your products, okay, and that's how you will see if people from the ads on Pinterest will actually go and buy something from your page. So this is one way to go for it, okay, creating these tags and having this conversion tracking. Another way to go and see exactly what is happening with your account, with your profile, with your pins overall, is to go to the analytics section that you will find here. And first of all, you will have an overview section where you can go and practically you can see everything on your Pinterest profile and everything related to your audience, okay. Now if you go to the Pinterest profile, you will see the average daily impressions for all of your pins, for all of your boards, average daily viewers, how many people are there, top pin impressions, okay. So these are the pins that you have seen me creating as an examples a couple of days ago maybe, or not even a couple of days ago, okay. how many impressions do you get, how many pins, okay, how many clicks, how many pins, how many likes. You can see everything here in your analytics. You can even sort them out on repins to see which pins practically get the most repins, which pins get the most clicks to your website, and on all time, okay, which are the pins that performed the best for you on all time. Then you can go to your audience section here, okay, and see exactly for all of your audience, people who have seen your pins, people who have acted on your pins, okay, average monthly viewers, average monthly engaged. And here you can find some more information that can help you get better results with your marketing on Pinterest in the future. Like you can see if where your audience is from, which countries, okay, what languages do they speak, which gender they are, and so on, and other information. So this is the way that you can track your audience. Then these are for demographics. You also have interests, and you can see what your audience is into, which are the boards they pin the most pins into, okay, which are the brands they are interacting with, other businesses on Pinterest that are interacting with. This is very important with you, because having these insights, okay, you can after that know what type of pins you have to create, which are the people you are targeting, okay, how you should create your ads, okay, towards which people you should be targeting, and so on. Okay, you have more options here, okay, for seeing even more insights, as you have seen. So that's about it, guys. This is the way to go for this, okay? It's actually pretty simple and can give you a lot of insights. So tracking your activity is very important, because that's how you know where you stand, what you have done, what works, what doesn't, and how to scale everything up to get better results into your business. Now, thank you very much, guys, for your attention. I hope this was helpful for you. Until our next video, I wish you good luck and all the best. Bye bye till then. Sorry.